shocksensor.com. Today we're going to talk about a Honda Civic 2015. What we did is added the shock sensor to the factory alarm. You can purchase it on our website, shocksensor.com. The part number is B3504. So it's B3504. This is a 2015 Honda Civic, and we have the kit for the 2016-17, and possibility we're going to be working on a 2018 pretty soon. You may want to keep checking the website and make sure the kit is available. I don't see why it wouldn't be the same kit and the same wiring unless the Honda Corporation decides to change the wiring in the vehicle, which I doubt it. But you can purchase the kit there at shocksensor.com. It does come with a YouTube video how to do the installation. It's a full wire hookup, and you should not have a problem, and we have great tech support. Basically, if somebody tries to bust out the keyhole, the alarm will fire off. And that will pretty much protect the airbags, and if anybody tries to bust out those lug nut locks in your rims, that will fire off the alarm. And the problem with this car, yes, it does come with a factory alarm system, but it doesn't come with any type of impact sensor. And instead of getting a whole new alarm installed on the vehicle that you have to carry another remote control around, this is a shock sensor add-on, keeps everything clean. And the best part of all, you don't have to carry another fob on your keychain. This is shocksensor.com. Thank you for watching the video.